We're here at L.L.Bean. This is the Ross Park Mall location. We got 330, oh yeah. Okay, whatever. Stock rooms. I like how they push one side of the wall with the handlebar.
Oh yeah, that's weird.
Look at behind you. What's stock room? We have a magical number of 5 light bulbs for goodness elevator. Looks dark. That was really weird. It started vibrating. That was weird. It didn't ring. It didn't ring. Like, nope, I'm not ringing today. One side of the cab has a handlebar. See? And the other side has just a wall. Where's the handlebar?
No
Let's see if they can.
What's up with that, Schindler?
Ooh, we got some okay water fountains. There goes the elevator. I guess that is gonna be it for me.